This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major snowstorms now headed towards Juneau, Alaska on Monday, November the 20th, 2017. It's going to bring up to 20 plus centimeters of snow. That's around 6 to 12 inches of snow in Juneau, Alaska, and its surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow that could bring blowing and drifting snow. Whiteout conditions, roads will be really dangerous. They'll be slippery and dangerous and treacherous driving conditions in Juneau, Alaska, and the surrounding areas as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong since the storm is going to be in the Pacific Northwest. That's going to cause a lot of snow in Juneau, Alaska, and the surrounding areas as well. That's going to cause a lot of rain in Vancouver, British Columbia as well. There'll be a lot of snow, blowing snow in Juneau, Alaska, and the surrounding areas as well, with very strong winds, whiteout conditions, dangerous driving conditions as well. People in Juneau, Alaska, be prepared. Every winter boots ready, winter jackets ready, hats, gloves, scarves, ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Make sure your Samsung Galaxy charged, Samsung Galaxy smartphones charged, Samsung Galaxy tablets charged, smartphones, cell phones, laptops, and tablets charged. Have your Treacherous 4G ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car, slow down so you don't get in car accidents. When we go for a walk, be very good for walking so you don't slip and fall. Make sure if your furnace is ready, turn on your furnace and keep those warm. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Have your extra blankets ready to keep you warm as well. Make sure if your shovels, snow scoops, snow blowers, snow plows, and salt trucks ready as well. If everybody living in Juneau, Alaska, be prepared for major snowstorm starting on Monday, November the 20th, 2017. Until Tuesday, November 21st, 2017. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.